Hi everyone, my name is João and I'm a school director in Portugal. I heard about Match the Mentor program and immediately I wanted to join the community. I think it's very important to support teachers in every stage of their career, but particularly when they begin. So I think this is an excellent initiative. It's quite easy, and I like to help others to succeed, so I decided to join. Let's do it. So first of all, we click on Start Here and Become a Mentor. A little pause. And then just to fill the fields for personal consent and personal information and what identifies me as a mentor and what I want to do and what I expect of the mentees I want to help. First of all, my email. My professional email I use every day. Country of residence, PO, Portugal, you search your own, yes. Username, well, the same part, the left part of my email. Hope it's free. Password, it's secret. And then we go to personal info. First name, João. Last name, Andrade, and upload the profile image. Well, let's choose a small one and one weird pretty, not easy for me. Okay, I have here a picture, open, and it's done. Tell us something about you. Well, I like to help others to succeed. Oh, yes, and correct. Okay, and 2 eyes. Favorite hobbies? Well, not sports, traveling, reading, and cooking. Age group? 51 to 60, and birth date? Well, we have to go way back. 66. December 1st. Gender male, master degree, the most near, and please select 5 from the courses presenting the ones you consider best represent your profile as a mentor. So here we have to access a role that you have, a document that you have a link later in this document, in this enrollment, that is this document that describes the different roles of mentors. So if you read carefully this, you understand and choose the ones that fit you best. In this case, I will choose father and sounding board. Professional information. Well, teacher level of education. Well, teaching level of education. I teach secondary education. In which educational institution do you currently work? Well, I work in a public school in Braga. What roles do you play in the teacher training system? Well, I am a school administrator. And did you ever participate in teacher induction program? Well, in induction, sadly, no. I had to do it all by my own, so no. Did you ever participate in a teacher mentoring program? Yes, I do this every day. It's one of my jobs descriptions. So yes. And if yes, when and what was your role? Well, my role is receiving teachers and giving a tour to the institution. Okay, it's very important to explain to young teachers what they will do and where they can do and what it is expected of them in the particular institution here. Years of service as a teacher, well, more than 20. And again, I teach only in Portugal. Ok. School name, Agrupamento de Escolas Alberto Sampaio. And what subjects do you teach? Well, I'm an IT teacher, so information and communication technology. Then a new section, induction and mentoring. What do you expect of a mentoring relationship? Well, what I expect? I expect guidance and support. I expect in my area administrative issues, and particularly the management of relationships is something I like very much, as you can already maybe understood. Management of relationship with colleagues and management of relationships with students. Your strengths? Well, I hope communication, leadership, and, well, openness to diversity. I think it's the most relevant for the profile of mentor I am choosing. Would you like to be a mentee or a mentor or both? Well, I'm old enough to say that I want to be just mentor. And then we go matching. Matching is where you match mentors, and it's what's used to match mentors with mentees. So we need to be careful and coherent when we fill in this section. Well, for you, it is important that the mentee is of the same disciplinary area? No, I am in administration, and so it makes no sense I work with every area, so I would say no and say I need to work with teachers of all areas. And for you, it is important that the mentee has similar personal characteristics to yours? Well, no. We have to fit to all, because diversity is very important. So I say no, and I can say what? We have to welcome all. As leadership, in a leadership role, to work with diversity. Okay, next, what roles of mentees do you relate most? Well, I relate with the role of learner, reflector, communicator, and then maybe relationship builder. Okay, and problem solver, because that's what I do every day. And as a mentor, what aspects do you think you can impact on the mentees? Well, I hope to improve communication and personal skills, reinforce my knowledge on subjects and provide a different perspective, and boost confidence and motivation, and advocate for others. And antidote to procrastination and anxiety, I think the three late ones, well, we can skip them. Would you be available to participate in a mentoring program through direct contact with mentees? Yes, direct contact for me is very, very important, so I will say yes. How many hours per month are you available to participate in mentoring program? Well, sadly, my job description it's very full, so just 2 to 5 hours. Well, the next section is just for mentors, and it's the role I'm doing. Which skills do you have as a mentor? Well, I hope to be open to communications, to be respectful, and I want to be engaged and maintain contact and be honest and trustworthy. Well, how can you support the mentor teacher in the exercise of his or her functions as a teacher? Oh, so many opportunities, so let's choose carefully. Organization and management, I think. Knowledge and understanding of main subject fields. Classroom management, no. Preparation of teaching materials, no. Student-teacher relationships, yes. It's parent communications guidance, yes, very important. And administrative work execution. And management and efficient use of technological tools. I'm an IT teacher, so remember. Management of student behavior and ICT skills for teaching. No supporting of finding educational resources, no teaching in a multicultural or multilingual setting. Yes, definitely, that's what I do every day. Will be the best way to communicate? What will be the best way to communicate with you as a mentor? Well, Loop Online, email, of course, and then Zoom. And I'm available. Sometimes we just have to phone each other. Okay. Done. Warning: read carefully before answering the next question. If you need more info before answering, please visit the link below. And this link takes you to the document I already showed you about the roles of mentors. Again, please select the characteristics presented, 5 that you consider the best represent your profile as a mentor. Well, carefully choosing father, sounding board, I hope inspirer, and communicator, and teacher and coach. I think these ones are the ones that best reflect what I am. 5 lacks 1. Let's choose carefully and remember what we learn. Oh, communicator, I didn't click. Okay, I knew it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done. And it's all. Now we just have to click submit and it's all done. Everything okay. Don't worry with your answers. Later on, when you log in, you can, in your profile, change all the choices you made. Okay? No problem. Bye, and thank you for paying attention.